Okay, in today's WinLink Express video, I'm going to demonstrate how to send via FM. Full disclosure, it's probably not going to work because I'm not sure if my ditch repeater that I'm going to connect to will actually make the connection to the next one in line. But you're going to at least see how to set it up and run it. The setup I am using is a Baofeng radio connected to a Mobilinkd TNC, which is connected to my computer by Bluetooth. Okay. So in order to do this, first thing I need to do is go to Device Manager. The way I did that was the Windows key and the X key at the same time. That brings up that right-click menu on your Start button, which has those options that you're able to see. Otherwise, right-click on your Start button, it gets you to the same place. Or you can type Device Manager down in the search bar. The reason I didn't do that is because that is right where the controls for my recorder are at, and I didn't want to risk shutting that off or hiding it. So, there's my Mobilinkd right there. But that's not what I want. I want ports and comms. So it is going to be either COM5, COM6, or COM7. If I go on Properties on the Mobilinkd, it doesn't really tell me where it's at. Let's see. Anyway, I know it's one of these. I can probably right-click on this and see what the properties are. Okay, so that's not it. Okay, well, anyways, it ends up being one of these. So, I have WinLink Express open. So, I want to have packet WinLink because that's what's going to use my TNC. I click Open Session. Go into Settings. I'm going to choose KISS. And then probably COM6. We'll try that one. I'm letting it use 1200 baud. I could use either or, but 1200 baud is guaranteed to work, so we'll stay with that. So I have it set up to go to Rock Island, Illinois via the ditch repeater that's literally sitting in the next room. Okay, so it did not work, so COM6 is not the right one. So we'll try COM7, see if that one works. Okay, so it says it's trying to connect, but it's not doing anything on my end. It is literally just sitting here doing nothing. So, but you get the point that it would connect and it would go. You choose the comm that you're using, you click start, and it goes. Okay, so it just disconnected because it couldn't connect. Just for the sake of argument, we're going to try COM 5. Okay, so it says it's trying to connect. It's not connecting because, like I said, nothing's happening on the radio. So, let it go through its motions, let it disconnect. Okay. So while it wasn't successful, you at least see what you have to do. You have to go in, you have to find click on the setting, and go from there. If you were connecting this directly to like a Cantronics, you could choose that. If you were connecting it straight to a radio that does VAR FM on its own, has its own sound card in that, or TNC built in, you'd do that. So, if I get it working, I will release an updated video showing how to get it working.